Here's one for you. Controls all taken out. Seat gone. Just kids hang around here. Part of the railing's missing. Iowa Northern, Unit 2002. Behind it, some GT caboose looking thing, locked up. All the windows boarded up. Behind it, a caboose. Detroit Toledo. It's had better days. It's all rusted out underneath the window. Looks like somebody took a ball bat to the back window. I got some photos of it. Here's a real cool one. Rock Island. The Rock. This really looks old. It's got them trucks that have the flip it open covers. Grease them or oil. And then we're missing the covers. And then the snow plow, of course. And the yellow machine, OGP7. I've been in it before. This thing's really had better days. There's a door over here. This thing's beat to death. I don't know what's in here. Well, I'll be dang. I never looked in here before. The old toilet. And it's hot. Could this be my only souvenir? Crazy, huh? This window's had better days. The engine. Holy crap. That's huge. Pistons missing. Film's gonna be too long. That crazy?